Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how to set up a job scheduler in Rust. Now if you have ever worked on certain use cases where you have to send out emails to a bunch of users, or maybe there's a sale going on your website and after the sale you want to send out survey to your users, and or there's like a sale just starting so you want to send out coupons to your users, or even any other repetitive task that you want to perform after certain intervals, we schedule it as a job. So here we'll learn how to set up a job scheduler in Rust and run a job. So let's get started. First of all, we'll move to our cargo toml file, and here we'll add the dependency job scheduler with the latest version, and then we'll build. Alternatively, if you are using any other ID, you can also just do cargo add job scheduler to add job scheduler to your dependencies. Once the job scheduler is added, we'll move to our main, and here we'll add a mutable scheduler job scheduler, and we'll say new, and then we'll say scheduler dot add to add a job, and then we'll say job new, and here we have to provide a cron expression of how many time basically how much interval you want to give after which you want to run your job and the job that you want to do. So basically inside this you can add any job that you want to perform. Let's say you want to print it something, you want to send an email, you want to send a notification, anything that you want to do. For me, I'm just printing here by saying let's say sending email to existing subscribers, and then we can add a schedule or a cron expression here telling our job what interval after which you have to run. So let's say I'm saying run after every 2 seconds. Now there is a specific pattern to which how you have to basically give the cron expression. So unwrap, and now we go ahead and we'll say loop and scheduler dot tick, and now we go ahead and open our terminal. Okay, as you can see, there is a delay of 2 seconds and then it prints, then there is a delay of 2 seconds, then it prints, then there is a delay of 2 seconds, then it prints. So basically there is certain delay after which it goes ahead and prints it. Now if I change it to, let's say, every 5 seconds, and then I open my terminal. Now as you can see, there is a delay of 5 seconds initially, then it prints, then there is a delay of 5 seconds, and then it will print. That's it. So that's how it goes. So basically you can add different patterns here. You can set days, dates, hours, anything that you want. For me, I just set it up some seconds so I can show you guys how it works. And this is how simple it is to add a scheduler in Rust. I hope you guys understand the concept. If you do, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys with another interesting topic. Bye bye.